Hello again, Vish.
Hi, Benno.
Admittedly, you left me a bit curious during our last conversation when you told us a little about our film cap's high durability. How do we achieve that remarkable extent of humidity and temperature resistance?
Well, as an example, if you look at the picture on the left, you will see that there are certain air bubbles, whereas the picture from the right is actually from the cross-section of film capacitor that is produced by Panasonic, and you cannot see any air bubbles. This means that our film will not corrode and will provide a stable capacitance value over a long period of time.
So far, that's very convincing. And what about its performance under very high temperature conditions?
Well, Benno, I would like to tell you that Panasonic makes its film by itself. In-house, we have our manufacturing process, which means that we can use very high quality aluminium for metallization and also very high quality film casing material, which means that even when high ripple currents are applied, the temperature will not increase as much as with the competitors.
Wow, I think I got it now. Is there anything else the market should know about Panasonic Industry film capacitors?
Well, Benno, people actually get confused between Panasonic's fuse function and the self-healing capability of a film capacitor. Every film capacitor has a capability of self-healing itself. Well, Panasonic went a step ahead. It developed something known as the fuse function, which is helpful for giving an open circuit fault in case if there's a high voltage.
But what difference does that make?
Well, Panasonic film caps exhibit open circuit failure, which means that the capacitor will not catch fire even if there's a high voltage fault.
Yes, that really sounds like a decent safety asset.
Well, of course, that's true, and that means that other components on the PCB will stay safe even if there's a high voltage fault occurring on the PCB.
So, thanks again for this one, Vish.
Anytime.
So, if you still want to learn more, or get in touch with our capacitor experts from Panasonic Industry for a set of free samples, just drop us a line.
Panasonic Industry